everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then hello, my name is Molly, and thank you so much for joining me for today's video. We are doing a PR unboxing. I do these every single Friday here on my channel, where I save up all my packages from the entire week and I open them here with you guys so we can see what's new in makeup together. So I have a lot of fun packages to share with you guys. I'm really excited, some really awesome brands, and I can't wait to show them to you guys so we can look over the new releases and we can chat about it down in the comment section. I do post videos here on my channel every Monday, Wednesday, and then we do these PR unboxings on Fridays. So if you guys want to subscribe down below, that would be amazing. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite product is that I mentioned in this PR unboxing. And let's get started opening some of these packages because I cannot wait. We have a bunch of fun packages to get into. I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and start with this first box here. So this is from Urban Decay. I'm really excited to see what's inside here. Okay, so it says here, this is their Disco Queen collection. It is available exclusively to Sephora and Urban Decay stores or online. We have a holographic highlighting powder, which is $29, and then a holographic disco stick, which is gonna be $26. So let's see what they look like. I love when brands include informational guides along with the products. It just really helps with me explaining everything to you guys. Okay, so let's see this collection. It came in like a cute little box here. So let's open it up. Oh, how cute. This highlight is huge. In the picture, it looks kind of small. So it looks like it is gonna be like a purple type highlight. I do know on the sheet that it says that this is a customizable highlight, so it's not gonna be the same on everyone. So it feels pretty nice. Here's what it looks like. So let's give it a swatch. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh, I like that. That's gonna be fun for like different looks, especially for like festivals that are coming up. This will be super fun. And here is the disco stick, which I think is such a cute name. So let's see what this one looks like. So it says that this one is more of a shift that can be applied over top of your complexion makeup. So there is that one. That's really pretty too. These look super pigmented and really fun. So awesome. Thank you so much to Urban Decay for this new collection. So this next box here came from Chella, and I know that they have some really great brow products, so I'm excited to see what they sent over. Oh my gosh, there's so many different products in here. Okay, so the first thing is a How to Brow Custom Eyebrow Cream Kit. So this looks like it will help fill, shape, and define and highlight your brows. So it looks like we have some different brow products in here. Looks like it has a brow color in here. It also has a highlighting pencil and then some clear brow gel as well as a sharpener, so that's awesome. This next thing looks really cool. So this is a heated eyelash curler. I've never tried one of these before, so I'm really curious about this. It like takes batteries and everything. So I'm curious to see if this actually works to curl your lashes. I would never think to apply heat, but it probably works, so I'm excited to try this. So we have a bunch of different eyeliners. So these are their eyeliner pen, and they have a blue, a black, and a purple, and it looks like they sent me doubles of each of them, so I can put them in a giveaway for you guys, so that's really exciting. So let me see what the pencil looks like. So this one is in purple. I just want to see what kind of a pencil it is. All right, so it is a felt tip eyeliner, so that's really exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and, oh wow, really pigmented, and that was really easy to put on there. Just one little stripe. Let me show you guys. Like, that looks like it's gonna be really nice, and I love how fine the tip is on this, so awesome, and that's great that they included some extras so I can give them to you guys. So there's another heated eyelash curler in here, so I'll be able to give that to you guys as well. And then we have a dual blending brush. So let's see what this brush looks like. I always get excited to get brushes, especially blending brushes, because I use them so much. Oh, perfect. So this is gonna be for your brows. So this looks like it's gonna be really nice to help kind of conceal and carve out your brows, and then a nice spoolie on the end. And then lastly, we have a dazzling dark brown eyebrow cream, as well as a ivory lace highlighting pen. Thank you so much to Chella. I cannot wait to try these products out, especially that lash curler. I'm really curious about that. And awesome that they sent extras for you guys, so I will include those in a future giveaway. Literally cannot stop staring at my highlight. Like, it is so blinding and beautiful. I use the LARITZY Anasazi Beverly Hills highlight, you guys. It's good. I did review the entire collection. Well, not the entire collection. I don't have the bronzers, but I reviewed the Soft Glam palette as well as the MAKEUPMOLLY highlight. Pretty sure you already know my thoughts on it, but if you want to watch that video, I did a first impressions and I applied it and everything. I'll have a card up above if you guys want to check that out. The next package here came from the Balm. This is my first time getting a package from them, so I'm really, really excited about it. So let's see. So these are their new bronzers. I've been dying to try these out. So it says, take home the bronze, show us your signature look. So these are going to be their new bronzers, and it has a cute little envelope here that says confidential. I love that these are all themed as like different awards. I feel like that's super cute just because I feel like it is award season right now, and I just think that's a really cute touch that they did that. So let's see what it says here. It just says, and the winner is Molly on the inside. That is so cute. So I'm really excited to see what's in this package. So the first thing in here is the Mary Luminizer. I have been using this highlight for years. It was actually the very first highlighter I ever bought, ever. And I love, love, love it. It's still one of my favorites to this day. So I'm excited to have one to gift one of you guys. I just love the Balm's packaging. Like, their packaging is so stinking cute. So we have in here, ooh, I'm excited about this. So this is the Swing Black Liquid Eyeliner. I've been hearing everyone talking about this and saying how good it is, so I can't wait to try this out. They also included their Meet Matte Hues. This is one of their liquid lipsticks, and this is in the shade Devoted. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. I actually don't own any of these lipsticks, so I'm excited. Ooh, it's a red color. So let's see what it looks like. I love the applicator on here. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It smells kind of like minty, but it also kind of smells like cake or candy or something. I really like the smell of that, but the color looks really pretty as well. And I literally cannot get this eyeliner off. Like, I was trying to rub it off and it's just not coming off. So that's a good thing. So we also have their Scuba Water Resistant Black Mascara. And then we have the bronzers. I'm really excited to try these out. I absolutely love the Bahama Mama bronzer, so I was really excited when I seen that these were releasing. So we have 3 different new shades, and it looks like they included doubles. So you guys are really getting hooked up. I'm gonna have to do a giveaway really soon because we got a lot of great products here. So we have 3 different shades. So we have Oscar is the first one, and then we also have Tony, and then the last one is Grammy. That is so cute that they named these like that. So let's see what they look like. So this first one here, this is Oscar, and it has a mirror on the inside, which is nice. So this one looks like it's gonna be perfect for me. It's a nice cool toned blush. So the next one here is Graham, which this one looks like a little bit more of a deeper bronzer. So this has a little bit more of a red tint to it. And then lastly, we have Tony, which is right here. So really, really excited about these bronzers. Thank you so much to the Balm for this package. Really excited I get to try these out as well as some other products from you guys. So this next little package came from LARITZY. I believe I'm saying that right. LARITZY Cosmetics. So they sent over a couple different products. So we have a lip pencil as well as a lip gloss. So the lip pencil is in Berry Pretty, which is a cute name. So the pencil feels very similar to like a MAC pencil, so I went ahead and I swatched it there on the bottom. That color looks really nice. And then we also have here a lip gloss, and this is in the shade Nudes. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna pair really nicely with the lip pencil. And let's see what the applicator looks like. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be a nice little doe foot applicator. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. I've been super into glosses lately, so I'm really excited to have another color, and I really, really love this kind of mauve-y shade. I feel like it's really, really pretty. This color looks really, really nice, and thank you so much to LARITZY for this package. So this next box came from Becca. I'm really excited to see what this is. I always get excited for Becca's packages. So let's see. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so this is their Ocean Jewels collection. I was so excited when I seen that this was coming out. I think that this collection looks beautiful. Okay, so this collection is available now. So let's see what it looks like. This is a cute package. So it says Ocean Jewels on the front. I love the purple. Oh, I'm so excited. So here's what the inside looks like. The packaging on this collection is absolutely beautiful. And I'm so excited about the face palette because it does have all new highlights in it. So sometimes with Becca's palettes, they kind of put a few different shades, like a few classic shades that people love so much into their packages or into their palettes. So these are all new shades. So I'm really excited to try these. swear with nails it's like impossible to get anything out, but look at how pretty this is. This packaging is, ooh, I love the mirror on the inside. Becca has some of the best packaging, and look at how pretty these look. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna swatch them because I'm gonna do a first impressions with this because I need to. I'm really excited about this. Maybe I'll film it right after this. Maybe I'll wash off my face and film this because I'm really excited to try these out. So if I do that, I might have it up tomorrow. So I'll just put like a bonus video in for you guys. And then the eye palette, I love the packaging on this one as well. And then the giant mirror, I love Becca's mirrors. And then here's the inside. I'm so excited to play with this. Look at that one color right here. That looks like it's gonna be beautiful. It looks like nice and iridescent. So can't wait to try this out. And then we do have the lip gloss as well. Then here is the lip gloss, which looks so, so pretty. So thank you so much to Becca. I'm actually gonna film with this right after I get done with this video because I'm super excited. So be on the lookout for that video, hopefully tomorrow. And then the last package here came from Bella. You guys know I love their skincare, so they sent over some new products. So we have here, oh, it looks like the same thing, so this must be a new mask from them. So this is their Foaming Volcanic Ash Clay Sheet Mask. So it's a foaming clay mask, and it looks like it's gonna be pink. I'm really excited to try this out. For clean and bright complexion, it says that the Professional Foaming Volcanic Ash Clay Sheet Mask immediately bubbles with oxygen and foam on contact with skin. The deep cleansing volcanic ash exfoliates and helps tighten the pores, which I need. It also says that the oxygen foam hydrates and revitalizes when washed away. Skin will feel dry, soft, and toned and refreshed. So really excited to try this out. It says that it only needs to stand for 10 or 15 minutes. So thank you so much to Bella, and I got some extras. All right, guys, and that's gonna do it for this week's PR unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and seeing some new releases from some brands. Huge thank you to those brands for these incredible packages. I cannot wait to try out all these products. And honestly, you guys, a massive thank you to you guys for making this all possible for me. Literally every single day, I am in awe of the opportunities that I have received, and it's all because of you guys. And I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and I just can't thank you enough. So be on the lookout for a giveaway soon. We got a lot of awesome products I can gift to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe down below before you head out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.